Good morning students. Today I am just going to explain the next exercise related to the topic agreement of the word. There is an error in the sentence and we have to correct it. Means in every sentence we are having the error. First we have to find it and then we will make it correct. Sentence 1. The cost of all these articles are rising. Here we are getting the helping verb are and it is mentioned and it is here according to the word articles because articles is given in the plural form. That is wrong. In place of that are it will change into is. Why? Because we will add the helping verb according to the cost, not to the articles. That's why we will make it cut R and in place of that we will put is. Next, Mohan with his friends are present. Again in this sentence, friends, according to the friends, the helping verb we are getting A-R-E-R and that is wrong. Because the two subjects are there in this sentence, Mohan with his friends. Then we have to add the helping verb according to the main subject, that is Mohan, and we will just write here is in place of are. Next is which one of these purses are yours? Again the question is the helping verb which is mentioned in the sentence according to the purses because purses are given in the plural form. But here in this sentence the choice is given to us. There are many purses and you have to take only one which is yours, means you are having only one purse and you have to pick or we have to take that purse. That's why we will put the helping verb according to the singular form is. Okay. Now next is John as well as Tom. In this sentence again we are getting Tom and John. Two subjects are there and they are joined with the word as well as. And if, as I told you, if you are getting two subjects are joined with as well as, then you always get you always apply the verb is in the singular form and accordingly we will put here is and the sentence will give the complete meaning. John as well as Tom is waiting. Thank you.